One of the biggest problems YouTubers have is keeping their audience engaged throughout the video. If your audience leaves within the first few seconds of the video, it sends a signal to the YouTube algorithm that your audience is not interested in watching it. In this video, you'll learn 10 ways to keep your audience engaged on YouTube so they become your biggest fans. Hi, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon to be notified about future videos. Number 1, make your video on a topic your audience is passionate about. In my last video, I showed you how to find your target audience on YouTube. Click the link in the description to watch that video. If you always create videos that your audience loves to watch, they'll keep coming back for more of your content. Remember, your goal is to keep your viewers engaged throughout your video. Number 2, create a strong hook at the beginning of your video. If your viewers keep watching your video for at least 30 seconds, it's more likely they'll watch the rest of the video. In order to do that, you need to create a strong hook to keep their attention. Some of the ways you can do this is ask a question at the beginning or show them what's about to come up in the video. An example of an opening question would be, have you ever struggled to keep your viewers engaged on your YouTube videos? I've struggled with this also, but today I'm going to give you 10 tips on how to keep your viewers engaged on YouTube. Another way is to tease them at the beginning about what you're going to deliver at the end of the video. Avoid creating a long introduction that'll only distract your viewers and cause them to leave your video. One of the ways to check this is to look at your audience retention graph and see where people are dropping off in your video. If they're dropping off at the beginning, you know that you might want to get rid of the intro or use a stronger hook. Number 3, make a short intro. This is where you can show your video bumper and tell people why they should subscribe to your channel. If you discover that viewers are leaving during your introduction by studying the audience retention graph, you might want to get rid of the introduction and go straight into the meat of your content. Number 4, main content. This is where you take a deeper dive and deliver the content that you promised in the thumbnail, title, and introduction. One way to keep people engaged in your main content is to do listicles. This is where you might show how to do something in a series of steps. Another way to keep people engaged is to tell a story. If you can tell a moving story that evokes emotion, then the viewer is going to keep watching your video. How you deliver your content will also determine if your viewers remain engaged. Try to be relaxed as you're delivering your content, like you're speaking to a friend over a cup of coffee. Number 5, reset the attention of your viewers. Most viewers have a very short attention span. Therefore, you want to reset their attention every few seconds throughout your video. You can do this by zooming and panning or changing positions, like moving to one side or moving to the other side, or you can do different camera angles. You can also add transitions, graphics, overlay text, and ask people to like and comment on your video. I often ask a question halfway through the video, like what do you do to keep your viewers engaged throughout your videos? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Number 6, add a strong call to action. Instead of viewers just watching one of your videos, you want them to check out a related video. You can do this by telling viewers to check out your next video in the end screen. Avoid giving too many actions in your end screen, otherwise your viewers won't take any action at all. Instead of linking to a single video in your end screen, link to a video in a playlist so people binge watch more of your videos. When you link to a playlist, they'll automatically see all the other related videos in that playlist. Number 7, add a link to your next video in the description. If you put a link in the first 3 lines of the description, then viewers can see the link while they're watching the video. While they're watching the video, they might want to check out the next video that they see in that description. You can also pin the next video that you want them to watch to the top of your comments. So when people go to comment on your video, they'll be reminded to watch the next video in the series. Number 8, reply to every comment. If you want to make a deeper connection with your audience and keep them coming back for more of your content, reply to every comment under your video. If you want to know how to create quality comments so you can connect more deeply with your viewers, click the link in the description below this video. Make sure you also like and heart every comment, because they'll receive a notification when you heart the comments. This will also add more views to your video because they'll be returning to answer your comments. A great way to keep the conversation going in your comments is by asking questions. You can also pin a great comment from your viewer to the top of your comments. Number 9, check your audience retention graph. Go to YouTube Analytics and check the audience retention graph for a specific video. If you notice that people are dropping off at the beginning of your video, you might want to eliminate the introduction. If they're dropping off halfway through the video, you might want to add a card before that drop-off point. In the next video, try to improve your audience retention by 1%. If you can get over 40%, you're doing well. If you get 50, 60 or 70% audience retention, then YouTube will definitely be promoting your video. Number 10, add your video to an official playlist. If you add your videos to an official playlist, YouTube will use this information to modify how the videos are discovered or presented. Just keep in mind that the same video cannot appear in more than one series playlist. Here's a couple of bonus tips to get more engagement. Add video chapters in the description below your video. This helps viewers to skip to that specific part of the video that they wish to watch. I do this all the time for my live streams so viewers can skip to that section that they wish to watch and save a ton of time. If you want to know how to do this, click the link in the description below this video. Another bonus tip is to do regular uploads. If you publish videos on a regular timetable, your viewers will know when to expect new content from your channel. If you publish on the same day every week, they'll know when to check in on your channel. The most important thing for engagement is to create helpful, insightful, and interesting content for your viewers. If you do that, they'll keep coming back for more of your content. One of the biggest questions YouTubers ask is how to find your target audience on YouTube. No worries, just watch my next video on how to find the right audience on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.